Ndewono, keko unu mere. Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Adebina. I'm an Igbo language teacher and translator. Today, we're going to learn how to interact with guests in Igbo. Without wasting time, let's get started. The first one is welcome. Ebiala. Ebiala. What are you looking for? Onye ka ị na-achọ? Onye ka ị na-achọ? Who are you looking for? I'm looking for. Ana m achọ. I'm looking for Ada. Ana m achọ Ada. I'm looking for Nkechi. Ana m achọ Nkechi. So you put the name of whoever it is you're looking for. What I'm looking for is Ana m achọ. Ana m achọ. That's I'm looking for. Sit down. Nọrọ ọdụ. Nọrọ ọdụ. Sit down. Wait for him or wait for her. Chere ya. Chere ya. Now, ya is him and ya is also her. There is no difference, right? So, ya can be him or her. So, wait for him is chere ya. Same thing for wait for her. He is not around. Onoye. Or noye. He's not around. Or goes for he or she. Now, he or she is not at home. Onoye no law. Ụlọ is home. So, onoye no law. He or she is not at home. Contracting it also, you would have ono no law. Ono no law. She is not at home. He is not at home. He is at home. Ono no law. Ono no law. That is he or she is at home. Where are you coming from? Ebee ka isi. Ebee ka isi. Where are you coming from? Let me tell him. Ka m gwa ya. Ka m gwa ya. Let me tell him or let me tell her. He's coming. Ọ na-abịa. Ọ na-abịa. What will you have? Gịnị ka a ga-ewetara gị? Gịnị ka a ga-ewetara gị? So, hospitality is a big deal in Igbo. It's normal to offer your guests something, even if it's something as basic as water. Now, my grandma used to always keep food for unexpected guests. It doesn't matter how late it was. She would always make sure she had something for someone who might pop in or, come around and say hello. There was always something for an unexpected guest. So, hospitality is a big deal. Will you drink water? Ị ga-aṅụ mmiri? Ị ga-aṅụ mmiri? Now, when you, as a guest, want to leave someone's house, you might say, I'll be on my way. I'll be on my way. That's a form of goodbye, right? So how do you say I'll be on my way in Igbo? You say, Kam lawa. Kam lawa. You might also say, Kam bia lawa. Kam bia lawa. That is, I'll be on my way. Now, go home. Go home. Lawa. Lawa. That's go home. So we've come to the end of today's lesson. Clap for yourself. Well done. Your likes encourage me to keep making videos like this, so don't leave without clicking the like button. Also subscribe and turn on the notification so that you'll be notified immediately a new video drops. I'd love to hear from you, so please let me know what you enjoyed about this video in the comments section. Good day. Bye.